Instructions.
Flying
Almost
to
the information card in the seat back pocket in front of you. Can you do that?
Mom! Hi.
Hi.
Doing a tire swap. Ba ba ba. So many tires.
Dad bends his sit up.
Scott Horton, instead of saying world, he says earled.
It says it's supposed to be cloudy all day tomorrow.
Stop.
What?
You never said stop.
You're never putting whipped cream on my food again. Oh, come
But
on.
like normally someone says like, okay, that's enough. You just pull them away. Like who does?
Do you guys have duck butter?
No.
Gothenburg.
And where?
Gothenburg invented it. It's like this. It's like the prime real.
What color spoon do you want?
Gothenburg. Dark blue, please.
Dark blue?
Yeah.
Spoon. Yes, Miles. I know you're gonna ask me the question.
What happened last
My
night?
truck got stolen last night. Green light.
Was it unlocked?
It was unlocked.
Were the keys in it?
Hanging on a lanyard. Centimeter away from the ignition. Just want to do anymore. Left keys in my truck a million times, and now I move, and now it's gone in a month. It's a game. It's not fun. Now I got this driving around. This camera, I was taking videos, pictures. Always videotaping something.
Well, yeah. What else are you supposed to do?
Not.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you.
So this is your new truck.
I heard they found yours. Yeah. Why you always filming? Yeah, they found it. There was throw up in the back seat. There was a Swazi on the steering wheel and white power, and it was Bonnie and Clyde written on the airbag, and Miss Pretty written on the armrest for the passenger. Sold it to Roger.
Did they steal anything from you?
Oh, everything.
Everything?
Oh yeah, light bar, stereo, all my tools, all my money. I was in there. They left my fork oil for my Harley. I was very nice to them, and the master cylinder that I had to actually buy one. So it's just very nice of them.
This is Ian.
What's up?
He's been my best friend since 8th grade.
Okay.
This is Amanda.
Hey guys, what's up?
You might know her from MTV's
Thanks for coming.
Awkward. Go left, go left, go left!